Maharashtra BBS, BMS, BBA, BMM, BCA, CET exam. Now, this is a very important exam for students of 12th standard. So, we do have crash course for the same. We also have a crash course for IPMAT Indoor and the other BBA entrance exams. Anyway, what is BMS, BBA, BMM? It is a 3-year graduation course after 12th standard. Now, for all the university-oriented courses for BMS, BBA, you have the entrance examination. You need to write an entrance examination to get into that college. And yes, these basically are management. So BMS, BBA management course, BMM is a mass media course, and BCA is basically computers. So if you are looking at getting admission to these courses, then you need to write the examination. So last date for registration is March 20th. Okay, and the exam date is April 20 and 30 and May 2nd. So if you're interested, do register for the same. It's a compulsory exam to get into these colleges. It's like a entrance exam for these colleges. So you can write these exams. So almost all the top colleges which are affiliated to Mumbai University and Maharashtra University are basically you need to write these exams to get into these specific courses. So even if you're not sure, my recommendation is write the examination. It's one way to get into a good college in March. You can decide later on. So the examination is 90-minute paper, 100 marks paper, consists of English, reasoning, GK and computers. So this is total 100 marks paper. So if you do well in this exam, you can get admission to a good college. If you want to understand the paper pattern and write a mock, you can contact us for a free mock test and we can guide you accordingly for the same. Right? We'll come up with more videos that will help you with regards to preparation for this BBA entrance exam. Interested? Do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.